How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to use my FOODI extra large grill for the first time. I'll be fixing a T-bone steak. Walter's gonna have a ribeye later. He already boiled his potatoes. I've been telling him to fix it in the air fryer, 40 minutes. But he chose to boil them and heat the house up. But anyway, here's my new toy, my FOODI extra large. So we're ready to plug it in. And I'll be fixing this steak. It's been sitting out for about 20 minutes. I got mustard on here, and let me show you. I got yellow mustard, black pepper. I like the big grounds. Sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. I've been putting this on everything. It's so good. Worcestershire sauce. Okay, Worcestershire in here. And they say to rub it, the booklet said to rub it with some oil. Don't use olive oil. So I bought some grapeseed oil, especially for this grill, because it has a high heat cooking, high smoking point. Okay, so I'm scared. So I have my grill thingamajig, and this is how it looks up under my cabinet. I was always scared to get something like this, but it opens up fine. So I already had a grill thingamajig in here, and they say you're always supposed to use this in here. So I don't know if you're supposed to oil that or not, but I'm not. And I usually never put oil on my steak either. So what I got to do? Turn it on. Press grill. I'm not going to use that thermometer. I want it on high. This one is the temperature, I think. No, I don't want max, I just want high. So what is this? It's supposed to be set for 500 degrees, so I don't know if it'll set itself or not. I don't know what this is. No. Will you set the time or the temp? I'm learning, y'all. I want it on high for grill. So I'm going to press start. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to start over. Okay, I want it on grill, high, and I want it to, well, that was preheat. Okay. What happens if I press this? Turn it off. Okay, press grill again. On high. And so the preheat light is on. So it'll tell me when to add the food. Oh, it's quiet. It's a hum. I hear it revving up. And I read the booklet partially, and it said when you're using that temperature probe thingamajig, don't touch it while the food is cooking because the thing is hot. the cord to it is hot. Okay, it's getting louder. This is new to me, y'all. I specialize in air fryers. I don't know nothing about no grill. But I'm going to learn. And the box was all torn up when I got this. So I want to make sure it works. I'm still not sure it's going to work properly. So I guess this thing will tell me when to add the food. So when that light comes on, I'll be back. See all these dashes. Started out with 2. I guess that's the level of hotness. Don't know yet. You can hear how it sounds. Waiting for it to tell me when to add the food. Okay, just beat told me to add the food. So can I stop it right? Or will it stop when I open it? Oh yeah, it'll stop when I open it. Okay. I ain't too sure about adding oil to a steak. Woo! Where the handle at? Okay. And I want it to cook for 10 minutes. I think that'll be medium well. Okay, I'm hearing this. They say turn it over halfway through. So in 5 minutes I'll flip it. I'll be back. I'm getting ready to flip this steak. It's on. Yeah. I'm going to flip it now. Hello, look at the grill marks. That's what I've been wanting for years. Okay. I'll be back. Oh, it told me when to flip, but I had already flipped it, so it's good to know. Y'all didn't get to see it. Okay, Walter just came in here and I showed him my steak. He started grinning. He said, we got grill marks and everything. He said, I might have you fix mine. Honey, after I eat, I ain't studying nobody. But he still ain't ready to eat. Well, so I got 1 minute, 45 seconds left. Okay, it's getting ready to stop. We're going to see what it says. End. Okay. Use this to take the temperature. Ooh. Oh, it's 160 something. It's done. See if the other side got grill mark. Yep. Got my plate right here. Okay, I'll deal with this when it's cool. Cut it off and unplug it. I always unplug my appliances. I'm gonna push it back. I have it on the glide mat. Oh, this sits out far in the back. Okay. I'm supposed to wait a few minutes before I cut this. But look at this beautiful steak, y'all. I have bought trivets and all kind of things. Put in my air fryer to try to make my hamburgers and steaks get grill marks. Nothing worked. But I got them now. Hello. It makes me happy. I'm anxious to cut it. I'll be using A1 sauce and some Heinz 57 sauce. But after a couple more minutes, I'll cut it and let you all see inside. I'm letting it rest. So Walter, he got potatoes and he'll probably eat a salad. He likes a full meal. But I'm a carnivore and I'm good with meat. Can I cut it now? Yeah. Oh, it's juicy. When I read the manual, it said let the meat sit out for about 30 minutes to get it to room temperature, and then it'll make a more flavorful piece of meat. Oh my goodness, it's so tender. It looks like well done. I was aiming for medium well, but I like this too. Man, you better go somewhere. You want to taste this?
Yeah.
It's hot. It's piping hot.
Well, I have to blow it on something.
Here, I just hand it to you. Woo! My hands are halfway clean. I washed them 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't take no thumbnail. And I got a notch out of my steak. Okay, this is how the steak looks, minus one chunk. I want you to taste it so I can see so you can tell us how it tastes. Is it tender? Want me to film you?
Okay.
No?
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, YouTube. How you all doing on this Sunday afternoon?
Just eat the steak,
y'all
man.
doing good? She gave me a little piece of steak. It's very good and tender. Tastes like more. And I'm looking at the plate.
You ain't
Just
getting
might
no
be
more.
But it's very good.
You ain't getting any.
Very good and tasty.
Is it tender?
It's tender and spicy. I taste the seasoning. It's very, very good. Very good.
Okay, so you had the first piece.
Mm-hmm.
And I ain't tasted it yet. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you all later. Bye now.
And so on. Okay, I got some thick and hearty A1. Are you going to use the A1 and the Heinz 57?
Yeah.
I'm using Heinz 57 sauce.
Let's see here.
Y'all got to see me taste it now. Oh. I don't say that. Rolling down the river.
Hector Clown, Hector Clown, Hector Clown.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Cena.
Nice, tender. Oh my goodness. Oh.
I'll be I can hit you upside the head. You can't pop it.
I'm gonna turn this camera around, man.
I ain't going to break.
Next time, to get medium well, I'll probably set it for 8 minutes. You cook for 10 minutes. And, you know, I'm okay with it. It's still tender and juicy. Oh my goodness. I'm very satisfied with the way this Ninja FOODI extra large grill cooks. The next test will be chicken wings. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Oh my goodness. Too good, too good. Enjoy the pictures of my newest great-granddaughter, Camilla, and my grandson, Dylan. You've seen him before.